everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a just wicked cool 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Great car, guys. Unfortunately, the gentleman who actually owned this car for a long time, I guess he's owned this car since the 80s. He passed away, so a lot of information, unfortunately, we don't have on the car. Tried to gather as much as we could, but I can tell you this. We don't know when it was done, but the car was this is actually a rotisserie restoration. And the one thing I can tell you is that the title actually says 21,000 actual miles on this car. Now we'll have to turn that title in. Our state requires that, so when it comes back it won't have that, but I made it up. We obviously make a copy of it, and that will go with the car. Finished in probably one of my favorite colors. I love this Jamaican blue metallic. You can see it's got the black vinyl top. It's got the black Deluxe interior. Neat car. Factory D21 4-speed car. Again, I don't have a ton of history on the car, but I can tell you this. I've driven it a couple of times, and I apologize, guys. I know a couple of you have already reached out. I got the photos done last night, and then the weather moved in so quickly we didn't get the video shot. We tried to shoot it this morning. But yeah, I'll tell you one thing. I've driven the car. Really hits the road good. Shifts out good. Nice car. And I guess he had a collection of cars, and this was the last one that he actually sold. You can see it looks like the original trim and grille. I know the N96 hood was added. The air grabber hood was added. Bumpers look good. Air grabber does work, guys. Slick paint. I seen a couple little blemishes as you walk around, but really a nice car. And it doesn't sound like the last few years like this car actually got driven much. Black vinyl top looks good. I love the pop-out rear windows. Back glass looks good. It's got all the original body panels. Like I say, it's body color underneath. I love this color. It's got the road rallies with BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. There's something on that stripe a little bit. Good looking car. I love the 70s too, man. These are great looking cars. Love the dust trail stripe. Nice car. Not a matching numbers car, but it is a 70 date-coated 383 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the Mopar radiator with a shroud. You know, really like a 4-speed car would have came. Manual steering, manual brakes. Again, it does have the functional air grabber. As always, there'll be a picture of the fender tag. They've added electronic ignition. Detailed up real nice. Stone peck that's been touched up there. And like I say, shifts out good. All the gauges are working. But the only thing I didn't see was working were the hood mount turn signals, and they're plugged in, so I'll have Mike check that. Again, vinyl top's nice. A-pillar chrome, really nice. Chrome mirror, door handles look good. All this stainless is nice. That's just somebody's fingerprints there. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the Deluxe interior. Bench seat. Again, it is a factory D21 4-speed manual transmission car. Looks like it's got all the seat belts in it. Let's rest there. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel looks good. Factory tach and gauges, like I say, all that stuff works. 21034. And that is supposed to be the right miles. AM radio works, blower motor works, parking brake works. It's got dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear axle. No jack, but it's got a spare. Again, try to, you can see it there. It's hard to get. You can see it's all body color in there. Very nice underneath. You'll see the pictures of the floorboards. They're all body color. Just a little dust in the doors there. Good looking car. Seats are nice. Again, dash is nice. It's got a little, looks like a little crack there by the radio. Car really seems to be a good car, man. It really hits the road good, like I say, shifts out good. Nice tight car. And your air grabber does work. Switch in there is all functional. Nice little cam to it. Jack works. Again, all your gauges are functional. Everything opens and closes real nice. They definitely put a little cam to this car.
Valued.
Radio worked, like I say, blower motor worked. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of me, guys. Ooh, a little chilly this morning. Breeze is cold. Love the color. Love that Jamaican blue. Have a great day, guys.